Hi there! Today I am bringing you this new recipe that I also use a lot of time. This is very delicious stir-fried beef. First, you gotta whack a few garlic. We love garlic, so when you're done with that, mince them up and put them aside. And then practice your onions cutting into about half an inch to a quarter of an inch, as much as you want. I got one onion here. Ready to go, set aside. Now for the beef, I got top sirloin and I cut it into a quarter of an inch to an eighth of an inch thick against the grain and set them aside. Probably use about half a pound. It depends on how many people you eat. You put them in a bowl and then throw your garlic in there, add a pinch of salt, about half a teaspoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of chicken powder. Bring up your hot pan or hot wok. Throw in half of your onion just get that aroma going. And then throw in your beef. This is gonna be very quick, guys. Just stir it around. I'm cooking on high heat now, so this should only take you about 2 to 3 minutes. Stirring around, and then add on your onions, the rest of your onions on top, and I would turn off the heat by now and start moving things around back and forth just to get a little heat here and there. The beef, you don't want to cook them too long. It can be tough. At the end, I just throw in a few dashes of soy sauce, and onto your sauce, this is going to be a nice vinaigrette. Add you a tablespoon of sugar and about a lime, about 3 tablespoons of lime, and squeeze it all in there. Give it a quick stir and then just set it aside. Get your salad base going. Here I'm using Crabclaws, which is very nice, minty. Fluff them up into a nice large bowl to have a good base of salad. I grow this a lot. This crab mince is what I grew up eating. It has a little tangy taste, but you know, you can substitute it with watercress or salad or broccoli or celery, thinly sliced. It's very easy, guys. Just don't make it too complicated. So pour over your sauce and give it a quick toss. I don't like to rub and squeeze my salad because I like the fluffy, the body, the volume, you know, I like the crunchiness of the salad itself. So when the beef is all cooled down, just nicely lay them on top and pour all the sauce in there because that's all the juice, you know, the flavor. And sprinkle you a handful of fried onion. And if you have some roasted nut like I do all the time, sprinkle them on there. And it's time to get into it. Just want to show you how great it is. It's just fresh, and you should get this taste and a little bit of the flavor from the meat and the onions and the crunchiness from the vegetables, the onions and the nuts. A little sweet, that's what you're looking for. A little sour and making me feel like I'm drooling here. Hey, thank you for watching, and if you like this channel, please click that red subscribe button because I am trying to grow my channel. And turn on the bell. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for a weekly Asian home cooking. Thank you. Bye bye. Here is a mint. It's called Crabclaws. In Vietnamese, it's called càng cua, but when you translate it, it's called Crabclaws. But it does not look anything like crab claws. It's just a heart leaf mint that looks like this. It has a tangy taste to it. I grew up eating this when I was growing up, so this always resonated with me. And so when I was able to find some seed to grow, it's super easy to grow and so healthy. I cannot have enough of it. So you can substitute this with watercress or just lettuce, or just some broccoli, steamed broccoli, whatever you want. But I am going to eat this with crab claws.